We're looking at a mid-19th century guidebook to the city of New York. It's stamped in blind by the publisher in cloth, fine gilt stamped front cover with a profile view of the city from the harbor. It's got advertisements at the front, followed by this folding lithographed city plan right here, printed on a thin India paper, and it gives the population of the city in 1845 as 371,000 people. We'll fold it right back up like so. Very well preserved, a little bit of toning where the original glue affixed it to the interior near the gutter of the title page. There's the 1851, and there's further advertisements at the rear, including this one for a Daguerrean photography gallery. Yeah, it's really interesting, all these ads, dentistry. Yeah, all with woodcut illustrations. A very comprehensive list of residents in the city, all kinds of illustrations throughout. Yes, many illustrations. And this rather very interesting, detailed, and surprisingly consistent weather reporting done by an owner at this who bought it evidently originally, and just every single day of the year wrote down what the weather was in Manhattan, evidently. Appears not to have missed a single day. Neat handwriting. Very interesting item, and it's currently available on my website, briandemambro.com.